Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today's topic comes at your request. We're going to talk about chin blackheads. That can't be right. No, says right there, chin blackheads, and some whiteheads too, so let's take a look. Blackheads are small dark lesions that appear in the skin, often on the face and neck. They're a feature of mild acne, but they can appear without other signs of acne being present. They contain an oxidized version of melanin, the dark pigment made by cells in the skin. Most dermatologists won't actually pop these, likely because insurance won't cover the procedure. They recommend using soap and water and popping them with a comedone extractor as needed. We'll put an Amazon link to our favorite kit below, both with and without gloves. On some individuals, the chin is an oily area, so it's more prone to acne, both open and closed comedones. Professionals use gloves for popping, but few amateurs go beyond washing their hands. Of course, using gloves limits the risk of infection. Here's an example of what a chin infection can look like. Comment below, should people wear gloves when popping their own pimples? Now let's take a look at that popping kit. If you watched this far, you might as well take a moment to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Adam and I provide 1 to 2 new medical videos every week, plus a whole bunch of popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.